Hello, Andrew here today, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to backwash your Filteroo gravity carbon cartridges. Now it doesn't matter if you have an 8-inch cartridge or the 5.5-inch cartridge, the process is exactly the same. Now inside the cartridge box you're going to find a hard copy of our instructions, and there's step-by-step instructions on how to backwash your cartridge here as well. Now if you live in an area that's got a lot of sediment, or sediment has started to block up your cartridge, we recommend backwashing your cartridge. We recommend you use a glove or the bag the cartridge is packed in to hold the carbon part of the cartridge. To not touch the carbon part with your hands, as the oil in your hands can affect the cartridge. Or just be careful when you're handling it. You don't want to contaminate your cartridge. The first step is to remove the cartridge from the filter housing. Whilst holding the cartridge under a flowing tap, get a new Scotch-Brite scour pad or some 100 grit sandpaper and thoroughly scrub the outside of the cartridge while rinsing the cartridge under flowing tap water. Once you have given it a good scrub all over, unscrew the locking nut from the cartridge threaded stem. Turn the locking nut over 180 degrees and then screw the locking nut back onto the threaded stem upside down. Just enough so the priming washer can sit on top of the nut and is level with the end of the cartridge threaded stem. Press the priming washer and cartridge up against the tap and slowly turn on the water. Allow the water to enter the cartridge. Small beads of water will start to flow out of the cartridge. Once water beads are exiting the cartridge becomes wet all over and the cartridge is primed full of water. This will only take about 5 to 10 seconds. Give the cartridge a final rinse all over the outside and your cartridge is ready to reinstall. Now you can install the cartridge in your Filteroo, and we have another video for cartridge installation in our learning center. It is a very simple process and we're always here for you if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you and have a great day.